Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, top cover, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal. Peel back the metallic shielding that covers the wireless antenna cable. Important! Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cable for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cable from the routing channel that secures it to the display enclosure. Important! Make careful note of the placement of the wireless antenna transceiver for later replacement. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceiver from the display enclosure. Replacement. Caution! Use care when handling and installing a new antenna. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antenna and degrade notebook performance. Place the wireless antenna transceiver into position on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cable through the routing channel that secures it to the display enclosure. Replace the metallic shielding that covers the wireless antenna cable.